Gilda from Harvey, Louisiana has a question about AC condensation.
It's built up on our AC vents upstairs,
Ah.
okay? And Gilda writes, I had a 2-ton coil and 3-ton condenser replaced by a new 3-ton coil and condenser. And I have attic turbines already in place, but since the heat of summer gets pretty hot up in the attic, I'm wondering, since I have a larger unit now, should there be a second return line? Because right now there's only one upstairs. What say you?
No, as far as when you say return line, if it's about the ductwork to make it larger, that's going to be, you're going to have to do a static pressure test like they do at Absolute Comfort Air, right?
Right.
And so if it needs more airflow, maybe. But as far as the condensate's going right now, it's because it's getting so cold and you have warm, humid air in your home. And when it shuts down, it just reaches dew point and starts to drip a little bit. So it's probably because it's just running colder than her older unit.
Well, I guess her point is that she's changed the condensers, a larger one up there.
I understand.
The 3-ton.
Now the evaporator
excuse me, the evaporator now is 3-ton as well.
Yes.
And she's thinking, is that a problem? Is it the condensation happening because she's doesn't have more return up there or more venting in the attic? Or
the venting in the attic has nothing to do with it. Okay. The issue is the new unit's probably running colder than her older unit did. I don't care about the size. The size doesn't matter. And so it's just running colder and the registers are getting colder. If you're having a big problem, you can pull the register off, make sure it's all caulked and sealed between the back of the sheetrock.
Oh, that's a good point.
That's something that happens quite a bit, and put it all together, but it has nothing to do with attic venting.
It's a case of where the old system might have been just inefficient enough that you didn't have this problem. And this one is running colder and more efficient, and now you have the problem.
People find that a lot with the newer systems.
All right. You know what you find when you write to us? You find answers just like that. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form and send it our way. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.